funny the second time. I killed it. It liked you, but now it doesn't. Ouch.
Oh my god, take down.
Hold on.
This is gonna be our new YouTube video, Bree.
Fuck.